I'm Dr. Daniel Schlessinger. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and cosmetic surgeon and Mohs surgeon, and I am dermatologist practicing in Omaha, Nebraska. I'm medical director of LovelySkin.com.
Sunlight plays a huge role in your circadian rhythm, and if you don't get some exposure to natural light shortly after waking up, it's not going to set you up for having a great day. Now, we can use LED lights to help us affect our circadian rhythm. As we are going through the day, we're all looking at our phones, at our devices, and that is hitting us with all of this blue LED light. And so this is why if you're staying up late at night and you're looking at your phone and your laptop, you're being exposed to all of this blue LED light that is revving up your wakefulness. And then in the morning time, that is really when you want to see some of that LED light. So we can use certain kinds of LED lights to kind of affect our circadian rhythm in a beneficial way. If you look more at red LED light at nighttime, that will kind of help induce more sleepiness, and then in the morning time, seeing some of that blue LED will help wake you up. It would be probably best to wake up to natural sunlight, but in my own personal case, my own 18-month-old often serves as my natural alarm clock. Using light to affect your cellular performance is something that is called photobiomodulation. And here I think we're talking about using light to actually stimulate your body to wake up without taking in other chemicals or stimulants that are really doing something artificial. Light, it kind of makes sense that it would naturally affect our body and help improve our overall health and our wakefulness.